Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can change song in Instagram post. So to get started, go ahead and open up your Instagram application, and once you have opened your Instagram, you'll be appear with the homepage of Instagram. Now here let's go to our profile section by just tapping on that little profile icon which is appear on the bottom right corner. So I will just select one of my random picture right here. So for instance, I'll just select this. So I have added a music to this song or to this post, and I want to change it. Then what you can do is tap on that three dots option. Now tap on edit option. So here you can change your words, tag people, or edit the caption or anything, but there is no such option to change the music in Instagram post. So unfortunately, Instagram does not allow you to change the song in Instagram post. So there is no such function to change song in Instagram post. You can just delete the post and again upload it and add the music of your choice. This is the only working method. So that's all guys. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.